In this video, I will be explaining to you guys why I sold my Cardano tokens for this new other token that I invested in, and also what I think the future of Cardano is. So this video is inspired by a conversation that I had with Yanni from the Crypto University Alpha Group. We had like a crypto trading session, I think it was, or it was just like a hangout on Discord. And we're talking, and he was telling me about he invested in Cardano, but it was in its height, so he's still underwater from when he invested in it. And I do know there are a lot of people who are in the same circumstances. And I shared with him on that day, I was saying that, look, the best thing would probably be to sell Cardano for something else, because I was also in Cardano. I've been in there for a lot of years, and I've seen the height of Cardano. I didn't sell enough, and I've seen it crash down as well. And what is the right thing to do is, should I just wait until it goes back to where it was, or should I sell it? So I was telling him that when it comes to crypto cycles, the best is sometimes to sell the older tokens for the new ones, because the new ones tend to outperform the old tokens. So in my case, I decided to sell the Cardano, and I made this public. I think I shared on Twitter saying that I sold my Cardano, and I decided to actually buy a new token called Ordi. Ordi is an Ordino project on Bitcoin. And the reason is simple. Ordinos, AI, GameFi are the new trend. And in every bull market, like I've said this before, you always see a new generation of tokens being born, and those tokens outperform the old ones. It's common sense. Cardano is basically an old token in crypto at this point. And so far, Ordi has gone from $7 when I invested in it, like just over a month ago. Now it's more than $20. So I've done a 3x already in a short period of time. So the reason I'm sharing this is to basically make other investors understand, if you haven't been maybe in this market for a long time, that sometimes you have to let go of a losing position and find a new winning one. The market goes through cycles. So if you're holding a bunch of tokens that are still in a losing position and they're losers, and you feel like you have to hold on to them simply because you're waiting for a recovery so that you can sell and then jump into the new thing, sometimes that's not the right thing to do. The goal is to make money. The goal is not to make money from one specific token that you invested in. The goal is to make money, period. So if an opportunity presents itself in a new token, it's perfectly all right to sell this losing investment that you have for something new that works and that will make you money. So the reason why I sold Cardano, it's not that Cardano is completely a terrible token and it's gonna go to zero. It's just that it's an OG token now, and as fundamentally it hasn't been innovating anymore. It missed out NFTs, DeFi, so I don't really expect much from it. It will gain from the market cycles. When it's a bull market, we'll see Cardano go up, we'll see it go down. Just like EOS and NEO, like recently a lot of people saw NEO and gas pumping, and they think these are new tokens. These are like, we used to trade NEO back in 2017, and gas as well. And they have had their little moment recently, but it doesn't mean that they will hit their previous highs or outperform everything in the market. No way. So I just found it very logical to sell my Cardano and invest in something else. So I just thought this would be a teachable moment. That's why I decided to make this video. You guys let me know what you think about this strategy of switching your positions in every cycle to match the trend, because it's all about the trend and the edge. And I do think that the Ordinos gives me a much better edge than sticking to ADA. That's the logic. Same, I think if you're in a losing position for Cardano, it's smarter to find a new AI-based token to invest in than it is to just hold onto your Cardano position. Of course, this is not financial advice, just common sense based on my years of experience in this market. Thank you guys. And for those of you who want to be part of the alpha group that I was talking about at the beginning of this video, link is in the description below. It's a top level community of traders and investors. We discussing crypto, sharing alpha. I share all my activities, what I'm buying, what I'm selling in this group, as well as several other people. So you will never miss out on any trend. Ordinals, all that stuff, we have been in it early before it was even cool and popular. So if you want to be part of this group, link is in bio, and I tell you, you will not regret being part of this community. Stay awesome, guys. Peace.